Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can lift an objects from a print bed in Bambu Studio. So in my case, I'm going to actually create a new project, and from here let's first add our main model. So in my case it's going to be this one. Let's say that we want to simply lift this off the bed itself, and if you do it manually where you click on the object and then click on the move function, and basically from here let's just basically move it upwards, it will then reset the item right here back onto its original position, which is on the bed itself. Now to go ahead and simply lift the objects onto any surface or any space, what you want to do is to first create an alternative or an additional shape. So you could select any one of this, and basically from here I want to make this as small as I can. And basically right after, you could just make sure that they are both selected on objects. You could also press Control on your keyboard and then make sure that you select them or click them together. From there, right click on it, click on merge. And if we click on sphere, or if we click on our main shape, which is going to be the cube, let's then click on move. And basically from there, we can move our cube to wherever we want to. So that's the secret on how you can do this. Of course, right after, you can adjust them manually. Let's go ahead and basically move this into somewhere like this one. And basically from there, you are good to go. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.